In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and run an app from GitHub using Android Studio. If you're an aspiring developer or someone looking to explore open source projects, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily navigate from accessing the repository to having the project up and running on your device. First things first, we need to get the URL of the repository you want to work with on GitHub. Navigate to the GitHub page of the repository you're interested in. Once there, you'll notice a green button that says Code. Give that a click, and you'll see an option to copy the HTTPS URL. This URL is crucial because it allows Android Studio to retrieve the project's files. Make sure you have this URL copied to your clipboard. Next, let's open Android Studio. If you're launching it for the first time or you've just started your computer, you'll find yourself on the welcome screen. Here you'll want to select the option that says Get from Version Control. Now if you already have Android Studio open with other projects, or if you've used it before, navigate to the top menu bar. Click on File, then New, and finally select Project from Version Control. This is where you'll be initiating the process of downloading the repository files onto your local machine. Now we move on to cloning the repository. You should see a field asking for a URL. Go ahead and paste the GitHub URL that you copied earlier into this field. Just beneath this, you can specify a local folder where you'd like to store this project on your computer. Choose a location that makes sense for you, maybe somewhere within your existing projects folder if you like to keep things organized. Once you're satisfied with your choices, click Clone. As you hit that Clone button, Android Studio will begin downloading the entire project. This could take a few moments, depending on the size of the repository and your internet speed, so do be patient while it gets everything set up for you. Once completed, you'll have the full project loaded into your workspace. From here, you can begin to explore, build, and even run the application to see it in action. Remember, successfully downloading the project is just the start. You might need to take additional steps based on the specific project requirements, such as installing any dependencies the project requires. But with these foundational steps completed, you're well on your way to fully exploring and understanding the code you've just downloaded. I hope this straightforward guide helps you get started with your new project in Android Studio. Keep experimenting and happy coding.